The human body relies on neuroelectrical signals to regulate muscles, circulation, and metabolism, keeping us strong and healthy. But over time, this natural biofeedback system weakens, leading to a decline in muscle volume and reduced skin firmness. What if we could reactivate these functions and slow down the aging process? Introducing BioRef-DC by Tavga Limited. A revolutionary patented advancement in neuromuscular therapy. BioRef-DC restores muscle strength, enhances skin quality, and improves overall well-being. How it works. BioRef-DC uses a network of anatomical references to generate precise, artificial impulses. These impulses mimic natural nerve signals, reactivating the body's biofeedback response. At its core is the neuromuscular junction, NMJ, the key connection between nerves and muscles. BioRef-DC restores this connection, improving muscle strength, coordination, and responsiveness, not just in the face, but throughout the entire body. What is the power of BioRef-DC? Facial rejuvenation and skin tightening, restore elasticity, tone, and youthful contours. Muscle strength and recovery, boost flexibility, endurance and performance. Circulation and metabolism, enhance blood flow, oxygenation, and cell renewal. Internal organ support, strengthen neuromuscular function for sexual wellness, postmenopausal health, and immune support. When combined with affinity or mesostrip technologies, it maximizes conductivity, enhancing treatment effectiveness. BioRef-DC penetrates deep into the body's bioelectrical pathways, ensuring long-lasting effects. Developed by experts and backed by science, BioRef-DC is part of an FDA-registered family of cutting-edge medical technologies. Designed for aesthetic professionals and medical practitioners, BioRef-DC is the future of neuromuscular therapy, wellness, and rejuvenation. Transform your practice. Restore, rejuvenate, revitalize with BioRef-DC. Start speaking to the skin in its own language.